School's Year 1 Science Corner. I'm Miss Gledhill. Today, we're going to use simple household items to do something that looks like magic. But it's not. It's better. It's science. Here's what you will need to complete this experiment. Black pepper, water, dishwashing liquid, and a plate. Nice and simple. So here's step one. First you need to pour a small amount of water onto your plate. Step two, shake some pepper onto the surface of the water. Try to avoid doing what I just did and breathe the pepper in, because that will give you a bit of a tickle in your throat. Step 3. Dip your finger into the pepper and water and watch, fascinated as absolutely nothing happens. But just you wait. Just gonna put my finger in. Step 4. Put a drop of dishwashing liquid onto your finger. Like so. And then dip it into the pepper and water and watch as the pepper seems to make a break for freedom. Run, pepper, run! Pretty cool, huh? As you can see, the pepper seems intent on avoiding the soap and has rushed to the outer edges of the plate. I'm going to explain this now, why it actually does this. Why, you ask? It's about something called surface tension. Basically, water is made up of tiny things that you cannot see, called molecules. In water's case, the molecules are called hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen is bonded with the oxygen. And what this means, basically, is that it's always holding on to it. Now, when my friend here, Mr. Dish Soap, plops himself down on top of them, he unbalances them. And because they are holding onto each other, they fall sideways together. I'm going to explain this now to you in a simpler way, using 2 cups. This aside. The blue and yellow cup is hydrogen, and the black, green and white cup is oxygen. When my hand knocks down one, because they are bonded, it knocks them both down. And as with the plate, they fall outwards. The water remains water because of their bond. But the dish soap has been unbalanced and it runs outwards. And how does the pepper fit into all this? Well, because pepper is not very heavy, it mostly sits on the top of the surface of the water and does, well, whatever the water does, which in this case is respond to the surface tension and fall sideways. And because black pepper is nice and dark, it shows exactly what the water does when the soap invades its surface. Thank you so much for watching today's experiment. You may like to try it at home, but please, if you do, get permission from your parents first. Have fun, fellow scientists. This is Miss Gledhill, signing off.